This problem is for black to solve. Black's only first move is this. If black plays anywhere else, white can capture this stone very easily. So black must play here on the 2-2 point. And white can also only play here. Right? If white plays anything else, black can stand down here and win this race to capture. So white must play here. And if you're black, you might be thinking this, right? It's occupying white's liberties, but by now, black will fail, right? Black will be one liberty short, like this. So number 3 actually won't work. And if black stands down here, white can also play this, and it'll be the same as the previous pattern. And of course, white cannot play this. If white plays here, black can play this. And now black will be able to win the race to capture this way. So it seems like here's an important point to occupy. So black should come in here first. If white plays this, then we have the previous variation where black succeeds. So now white must play this. And black must cut. If white is hoping to do something like this, it will not succeed. It will be like this. White will be one liberty short. So here, given a chance to start a ko, white will have to take it. And this will be a ko, and that is the correct answer. So overall, it's a pretty interesting problem. Make sure you sort out all the variations on your own, and let me know if you have any questions. Good luck, and thank you for watching.